Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a stunning fishtail braid in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. Start by dividing the hair into two equal sections. Hold the right section securely with your middle and index fingers of your left hand to free up your right hand. With your right hand, grab a small piece of hair from the outer edge of right section. Cross it over and add it to the left section. Hold the left section with your right hand. Now as you braid, always remember to grab the pieces from the outer side of each section. So grab a small piece with your left hand. Now cross it over and add it to the right section. Let's do it again. Hold the right section. Grab a small piece from the outside and cross it over to the left. Hold the left section. Grab a small piece from the outside and cross it over to the right. Keep repeating this simple sequence until the braid takes shape. Hold section, grab from the outer edge, and cross from the right to the left. Hold section, grab from the outer edge, and cross from the left to the right. Now, let's take a closer look at each step. Continue this pattern all the way to the ends of the hair. You can leave the braid sleek and tight for a polished look, or gently pull on the edges to loosen it up for more volume and texture. And there you have it, a gorgeous fishtail braid for any occasion. Check the description for more tutorials. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments how easy this was to follow. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.